Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to be unboxing a Sony A7 III. Get excited because I'm going to show you everything that comes inside the package, just how it's going to get delivered right to your doorstep. Let's check it out. First things first, you're going to get all of your Sony handbooks, as you can see. You've got your lens strap. Here's your Sony A7 III body. What a beaut! You got a screen that pops out. We're going to open up this guy right here, and it looks like this is going to be your microphone input. And next we've got your HDMI port and your headphone jack. And lastly, we've got your micro USB port and your SS USB port. Alright, and I'm going to flip this guy around, and on the other side it looks like we've got a dual SD port. We've got SD card slot 1 and SD card slot 2, which is sick. On the bottom here is where your battery is going to go. Oh, and looks like you've got to lock that one to keep it closed. Up here you've got your hot shoe. And this is really neat because it's got like a little cover to keep it closed inside. I dig it. Here we've got a Sony charger, so that's really nice. And here's the new battery. It's noticeably bigger than some of the older models. I've heard it's durable and lasts a lot longer too, so I'm really excited to try this out. Okay, it looks like we've got our micro USB port charger. This is how you're going to charge your camera. You're going to plug it into your wall charger, and then you're going to take the other end and put it right inside your camera. And you'll have to put the battery inside the camera too in order to charge it. Charging your camera like this can get to be pretty inconvenient at times, and I know you guys are going to want spare batteries anyways, so I'm going to drop a link below in my description that's going to link you to a dual port charger, so you'll be able to charge 2 batteries at once. And what's really nice is it's going to come with 2 batteries as well, so I'm going to hook it up. Thank me later. So it looks like that's about it. That's all what's going to come inside your Sony A7 III. Alright guys, so that's the end of unboxing my Sony A7 III. And this is everything that's included, some solid stuff to get you started. You don't have a lens though, so you're going to want to check out my next video to look into some lens reviews, show you which ones are going to be cool for you to buy next, get you going on this new Sony trip. I'm going to link you below to some really good quality batteries because you're going to need some spare batteries for this guy, and you're going to want a dual charger so you can charge more at once. If you're really looking into this camera, it's a great camera. Love it so far. 4K, 120 frames per second. You can't beat all of that. So good. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe to my channel, I'll have more videos about camera gear, camera stuff. You can check out my next video, which is going to be, showing you some different lenses you can look into buying, and I'll link the descriptions below. That's about it. I don't know. Yeah. I had fun. Hope you guys did too. Really excited for you to buy this camera. It's sick. You're going to love it. Yeah.